Say hello to Bruce, a creative person who's interested in building a go-kart. Bruce doesn't have all the skills or tools, but knows exactly where to find them. Through iPRODUCE. The iPRODUCE project aims to boost collaborative production by mobilizing manufacturers, consumers, makers, researchers, and do-it-yourself enthusiasts just like Bruce towards open innovation and co-creation of consumer goods. Provides an open innovation space with digital tools and services that integrate a social manufacturing framework. These tools and services are integrated into multi-stakeholder ecosystems called collaborative manufacturing demonstration facilities. iPRODUCE can help Bruce by allowing him to engage and collaborate with the people he needs and with the support of different tools. For example, with the iPRODUCE marketplace, Bruce can create a profile, share and develop ideas, and interact with other communities. With the generative design platform, Bruce can create and customize his go-kart using a 3D configurator and adjust different model parameters, including colors and textures. And with the augmented and virtual reality tool, Bruce can also modify multiple properties and see how his go-kart would look in a real environment. With the right set of people and tools, Bruce can visit one or more multi-sector collaborative manufacturing demonstration facilities and get access to additional knowledge and infrastructure to build his go-kart. In the case of iPRODUCE, the project's collaborative manufacturing demonstration facilities are in multiple EU countries: Spain, Italy, Germany, Greece, and France. These cover the furniture, mobility, medical, electronics and microelectronics and training sectors. Bruce's journey is only part of the larger iPRODUCE vision, the establishment of its social manufacturing framework and collaborative manufacturing demonstration facilities. These aim to enrich existing micro-manufacturing facilities that can come together to promote the sharing of knowledge, resources and equipment. With iPRODUCE, Bruce has a solution that fosters innovation and facilitates social and collaborative-based manufacturing and brings together manufacturers, makers and consumers around common manufacturing ideas, resulting, in Bruce's case, in a super cool, functional go-kart. Join Bruce and the iPRODUCE journey